Pi-nal countdown. iRasptek Pi 5 kit, 16GB RAM, 256GB OS. The mini beast your desk deserves. Stuck watching your Raspberry Pi crash harder than your motivation on a Monday? You're not alone. Between sluggish performance, unstable temperatures, and that ancient OS wheezing like a boomer in a HIIT class, it's easy to feel like your productivity's being mugged in broad daylight. Whether you're coding, building smart gadgets, or just trying to run apps without your Pi sounding like it's dying, you're wasting time, energy, and momentum. You deserve a setup that works, not a pixelated therapy session with a frozen screen. Let's be honest, your Pi's current performance is more nostalgia than next gen. Now multiply that frustration. Think about all the late nights wrestling with power issues, corrupted microSD cards, and that god-awful lag during the one demo that actually mattered. You're missing deadlines, burning brain cells, and getting steamrolled by projects you should have crushed. Your to-do list is turning into a never-done graveyard. That Pi-powered magic mirror? Still just a mirror. Your home server? Feels like it's hosted on a potato. Let's face it, the gap between idea and execution has never felt wider, and your sanity's dangling by a loose GPIO pin. Enter the iRasptek starter kit for Raspberry Pi 5, your escape pod from the slow lane of DIY hell. Packed with 16GB of lightning-fast LPDDR4X RAM and a preloaded 256GB OS, this Pi 5 setup isn't here to play, it's here to obliterate bottlenecks. The Cortex-A76 quad-core processor, 2.4 GHz, demolishes heavy tasks like AI apps, virtual machines, and 4K playback. Wrapped in a rugged aluminum case with active cooling, it stays cool while you run hot. With the 27-watt USB-C power supply, you'll kiss power flickers goodbye. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a frickin' transformation. You'll feel the difference from the second you boot up. Everything's smoother, sharper, faster. No more lagging through updates or praying for stability. The metal case? Vibe. The transparent power button? Fancy. The active cooler? Absolutely necessary. USB 3? Lightning. With plug-and-play OS, high-end hardware, and a setup time shorter than your lunch break, this kit turns your Pi from a headache into a dream machine. Whether you're building servers, coding apps, or just flexing Pi power, it's instant gratification with future-proof vibes, designed for creators who don't mess around. So, still planning to patch that ancient Pi together with duct tape and desperation? Or are you ready to flex with the fastest Pi ever made? Stop letting weak hardware choke your potential. Upgrade to iRasptek's Pi 5 kit and get the performance, stability, and speed you've been begging for. Don't settle for crashes, freezes, and throwback CPUs. This is your sign to level up. Click that button. Own your projects. Build smarter. Code harder. Tinker like a tech god.